Here we go. Hey guys, I'm Logan with FLYMOTION. Today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Matrice 300 RTK. So let's get into it. You're going to have your battery charger, the aircraft itself, and then additional batteries are all going to come in separate boxes from DJI. So here it is, out of the box. This is the DJI Matrice 300 RTK. If you're going to see here, it comes in a hard style Pelican case. We've got on the back side, once we lift it up, it's pretty bulky. We're going to have a rolling ability here. We're going to set it down, get her opened up. Let's check it out. Like I said, down here we have the smart controller. That's also got the additional battery pack here, so we'll take a look at that here momentarily, but we're going to go ahead and take some of this stuff out so we can get it all put together. We have our propellers. And then our landing gear as well is in here. All right, so once we get the smart controller and the aircraft itself out of here, we're going to set it down and go ahead and move the hard case so we can see a little bit more detail. All right, so here it is, all unboxed. We got everything out of the way so we can look at everything that comes together with the Matrice 300 RTK. So this drone is RTK compatible, but it is not in and of itself an RTK system. So that is one thing that we do want to make sure everybody is aware of. But one of the nice things about this as it comes out of the box is it's got a hard piece of foam here that actually holds the propellers in place. So when you are done flying it, you can actually go ahead and set those all back in. It's going to keep everything nice and safe. So in the box we had an extra set of propellers, the propellers that are already on the aircraft itself, and then as a difference to the 210 version, the arms actually fold in as opposed to actually staying out. So this is a really awesome setup here. So we've got the smart controller. On the back side of the smart controller, you have the WB37 battery. In addition to the internal battery itself, we have our landing gear, our extra propellers, and then the aircraft. All right, so that wraps up the unboxing of the DJI Matrice 300 RTK compatible system. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel for more content in regards to setting up your new DJI system here.